Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add audio to card.co. So of course you want to be on your card.co dashboard and you're going to click a new site. Then there are some templates right here. We're going to select this one. And in order to add an audio to card.co, you just simply need to go over to the top right area and you have some actionable buttons right here. Click on the plus to add an element and here you can see audio. So click in audio and it's going to position this audio by default in the last section of your site. Of course, later you can move this around. Now, on the left side, you can see a panel that has popped from left to right and you can see audio URL. So all you need to do is to get the URL of your audio and paste it right here. Now there are acceptable URL formats, so make sure to follow it. If it's AudioMac, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, SoundCloud, etc. Now, here's what you need to do. From whatever site you're copying, make sure to follow these patterns and copy the link. So if it's an AudioMac link, it should be audiomac.com, X, the song, YY. And of course, this is just to show you the pattern to follow. And then of course, if it's a Google Drive, you have drive.google.com, the file, and this is also the pattern to follow. And of course, once you're done with that, you can click on done, and then you'll have your audio URL right here. And then of course, if you'd like to move it, you could of course go to the top area, put it right there if you want to, and there you have your audio added to card.co. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to add audio to card.co.